In a city of constant motion, how do we find our roots? Rooted healing is an immersive art experience that gives voice to urban drifters, those who navigate the emotional tides of migration, belonging, and identity in Hong Kong. Here, personal stories transform into shared landscapes of light and sound. Let's walk through the journey. You begin by stepping into a quiet space, where a short film invites your affection. Here you can learn about the theme behind the whole installation. At the heart of the experience stands a luminous tree. Lean in, and it asks you, how did you find your belonging here? Speak your answer in memory, a word, a fragment of your story. Listen as the tree listens. Watch as your voice becomes part of its ever-growing canopy. After a few days, these stories reappear in fragments, and you can learn about other people's stories. Finally, at your mark, combine fragments of other stories with your own. Craft a poem, a thought, or a wish left behind as a gift for the next visitor. Rooted healing is where stories branch outward, where solitude meets solidarity. A space to listen, to grow, and to remember. Even in transit, we are never alone.